Hi again and welcome to Links 7 TV. Let's talk. A bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on the program. Two police officers shot and succumbed to their injuries in Spanish Town. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 7 TV. Let's talk. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has been plunged into mourning following a shooting incident that took place in Spanish Town early this morning. Two police officers are dead, two others are in hospital, with at least one senior officer in life-threatening condition following an early morning gun attack by criminals on Friday morning in St. Catherine. Reports are that a police team in St. Catherine, the North Division to be exact, went to a premises in Spanish Town at a community about 5 a.m. for an operation when they came under heavy gunfire. Further reports are that four of the police officers were shot and injured. They were rushed to hospital where two of them succumbed to their injuries. A police team that was responding to the call for assistance to assist these officers also had a misfortune when the vehicle in which they were traveling overturned in a section of the Old Harbour Main Road in St. Catherine. We'll have more details to come on this story once more information becomes available to us. We'll keep you up to date with this story. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for now.